Peace and love, family, and welcome back. I'm just gonna do a time-lapse video for this unboxing of my Greenstalk garden system because I talk so much and I'm so aware of that, so let's not waste any time. This system is a vertical gardening system. I got the 5-tier tower from Greenstalk.com. I went ahead and bought their starter kit because it came with so many things like fertilizer and starter seeds. This system is loved by many because of its watering system. So basically you don't have to water each pocket, you just water from the top, and the canisters that go in the middle of each tier evenly distribute the water out to each pocket. So essentially you only have to water from the top like every day or every other day, and all the watering needs are met. I also like the fact that they gave me so many starter seeds, like from arugula to chives to lettuce to beans. They gave me a good startup. They also gave me these little cute stickers, which I love. The family that started the Greenstalk garden system is from Tennessee, so they down south with it. Shout out to them. A little more about the Greenstalk gardening system is that you can get it in a 5-tier or you can get it in a 3-tier. And I think they even have like a leaf garden system where you just grow like lettuce and stuff too. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Each tier takes about 1 cubic foot of soil. So that's a whole bag of potting soil, like those big bags of potting soil. They also include a fertilizer for you. They give you 2 choices, earthworm castings or another mix that they have, but they both are organic, but I just went with the earthworm castings. So these are the watering cans that I was talking about that evenly distribute throughout the pockets. There's like little holes in each disc. So make sure you line up the holes to the pockets, basically. Because I definitely made that mistake when putting this together. Like I was saying earlier, they have a 3-tier and a 5-tier. So what I'm showing you here is that they write in how much to fill according to the tier level you have. Be sure to put the roller on first with the first tier, because when you actually have soil in it, this thing is super heavy. But that's all I have for this unboxing, so I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Mama, I have the left Mama.
No, I need these, Mommy. These are mine. I'm sorry, we gotta get you some gloves another time. Today's the day where we're gonna fill up our Greenstalk garden 5-tier.
Yeah!
This garden yields me a lot of fruit. This garden will yield me a lot of fruit. It's gonna be yummy. And it's gonna feed my family. And I'm so excited to see. I was gonna add some cocoa core to this mix, and I completely forgot, but that's okay. This this should do just fine. There's peat moss in this mix already, but I really love my cocoa floor. So I did go ahead and add some of the cocoa core. Don't know how good I mixed it in, but it's good enough. It's just to help retain moisture, I think. Yeah. So now I'm just gonna take some of Greenstalk's worm casting and sprinkle it on top of each. I think I need 1 cup of worm casting per tier. Plant some stuff and they're ready to go out for sure. My little leaves turning yellow. I have to come plan this out. The bottom tier is going to be dedicated to like trailing things like tomato. I want to try for zucchini and squash and maybe some cucumbers. So that'll all go at the bottom tier. The second to the bottom tier will be peppers. And I got cayenne peppers and habanero peppers. I also want to try to grow green bell pepper, orange bell pepper, or a variety of peppers like mini sweet peppers. The third tier will go to like strawberries and maybe a couple herbs. I don't know if I want to grow anything from seeds or buy all of my transplants. Let's just stack on top of each other. So one thing I forgot to do, put the freaking watering cans in. So now I have to take it back apart. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product, my Greenstalk garden. And obviously I still have more planting to do. I'm probably gonna plant some lettuce and stuff from seed. My strawberries, my bell peppers, my tomatoes. Yeah, I cannot wait to show you all an update on how this came out or how we're doing with it. Got my kale. And then every day I'll just have to come out and spin it because obviously everything's not gonna get full sun. Sitting like this, I'll just have to come out and give it a good spin. But yeah, I'm very pleased with this thus far. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So it's the next day. I got a lot freaking going on. I sowed some seeds into the system. I'll show you what we got. So down here on this bottom row of 6, there is zucchini, summer squash, butternut squash. I think I planted some watermelon and yellow onions and cucumbers. So that's down there. This row right now only has thyme and dill, and I'm probably gonna add my like strawberries and tomatoes to that row too. This is still the row of peppers. I have to add in my green bells and my sweet peppers, so that's gonna be in that row. This row is where I'll have some greens at, some heartier greens like kale. I sewed in some spinach, and what else did I put in here? Some red Russian kale. Up top, there's gonna be all of my like lettuce. I sewed in romaine. What else? Oh, these are chives. I did put chives up here. And then I have this empty spot. And up here's salad bowl mix. The black Simpson, seeded Simpson, and butter crunch. That's what we have in the garden. Naomi. So yeah, that's what we have thus far sown into the garden. I kind of went crazy, just sowed in a bunch of different stuff just to see what works and what doesn't work. Still looking to sow in cherry tomatoes, Roma tomatoes, and the 2 types of peppers, and my strawberries. So those are the last plants that I really want to get into this system. I might do a bed of herbs if I don't have enough space to sow it into this system, into this bed right here that I used last year. But yeah, I'm just gonna water this, and that'll be it for today. So I just watered it in. If you listen closely, you can hear it trickling down.
I'll try to water it.
Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.